Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. Yesterday we have completed the poem Class Discussion. We have completed the explanation of the poem. Today once again we'll see the same poem Class Discussion Unit 6. The exercise of this poem. First, before start this exercise of this poem, I say a short summary of this poem. Yesterday we have seen that in this poem there is one girl whose name is Jane. Jane is the student who didn't speak anything in the class. Everybody discussing in the class, everybody speaking, everybody taking part in this group to discuss. But Jane, who is very silent girl, but when teacher said her to speak something, to speak the answer, she spoke very clear, very polite with a slow voice. So here, Jervis Finn said that in the whole world, some people are like this girl, who are always very silent, though they know everything. So today we'll see glossary, then question answer of this poem. Now look at first glossary. Discussion means talking together in a group on a single topic. Add, make public. Barely, only just. Stare, look fixedly with eyes wide open. And in some students' books, maybe there is written the word plain. Plain means clear. So you can add if you want to add, which is not here also. But in some students' book, there is given the fifth number word, that is plain. Plain means clear. So this is about glossary. Now I discuss question answers. Now look at the first question. What activity was going on in the class? As we know that in the class, what activity is going on? In the class, discussion was going on in the class. So students, you have to write that a class discussion was going on in the class. Question number 2. Who was the quiet one in the class? What's the name of that girl? Jane. So here Jane was the quiet one in the class. Now look at question number 3. Why was she quiet? Here 4 options given to you. Number 1. She was afraid to air her opinions. Means she was afraid to public her opinions. She was afraid to speak in public her opinions. Number 2, she hated the noise. Means she don't like this discussion which is going on in the group. Number 3, she didn't like the activity. Means she don't like this type of activity. And number 4, she was quiet by nature. Yes, we have seen yesterday that she was quiet by nature. It's her nature that she wants to be silent. So here number 4 option is the correct answer. Now look at the last question. How do you interact in class during discussions? Do you participate or remain quiet? Yes, now students, this answer you have to write according to your own experience for yourselves. Suppose that I just give some example that some students are speaking loudly, they are taking part in activity, they love to take a part like this activity. Some students are involved themselves to discuss in particular topic, but some students are very silent. Some students are giving answer correct with the politeness. Some students are speaking loudly. Some students are speaking softly. So here you can write any answer. Then how do you interact in class during discussions? If you interact politely, you can write this. Then I interact very politely in class during class discussion. Or if you can say that I interact very eagerly in class during discussions. Do you participate or remain quiet? If you are taking part in this discussion, so you can write yes. Or if you are feeling shyness, like Jen, that she is very polite, but she by nature very quiet. So according to your own experience for yourselves, you can write the answer of this question. Now listen students, glossary, question answers and another exercise, think and write, I have given today in a description box. These all answers PDF I have given in the description box which is below of this video. I provided the link of these answers PDF in the below description box, so you can click there and see all the answers and write in your CW with a good handwriting. Still, if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box. Even I'll provide this link in our class 5 group also, so you will not get any difficulty. So students, write with a good handwriting, with a clean and neat handwriting.